Good morning children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? Block 15 local governing bodies, right? In earlier lesson what we had learned? That we had learned that if any group of people will take care of the problems of people, what we call them as? We will call them as local governing bodies. What is the meaning of governing? I said governing means taking care of the people problems. The persons who are assigned to take care of the problems people, or if any group of people will take care of the problems of people, what we call them as? We will call them as a local governing bodies, right? So in our last LPs what we had learned, what are the new words which we had learned? In a village, who are those people who take care of the people's problems? What we call it as? Grama Panchayat, right? In villages, if any one person or any group of people will take care of problems of people, what we will call it as Grama Panchayat. And if it is in city, what we will call it as municipality, right? So today we are going to see how this Grama Panchayat will work in villages, right? So how we are going to see? By reading a story from our textbook, what are the problems that village people are facing and how they will sort out these problems by taking help of Grama Panchayat, right? So let's move, and everyone please open your textbook. Yes, everyone please open block 15, local governing bodies. Today we are going to read a story about problems in Hasipur, a village called Hasipur village. By reading a story of this village, we can understand the problems of people in Hasipur village, how they are facing a problems and how they sorted out, okay? So, people in Hasipur do not have proper drinking water. They collect water from the river. The river water is dirty. They use this water to drink, to bath the cattle and to wash utensils and clothes. Many people in the village got sick after drinking the dirty river water. There are no doctors in the village to take care of the sick. The village people are worried and have come to the Grama Panchayat to get help. The Grama Panchayat is a group of people chosen by the villagers to solve problems in the village. The Grama Panchayat is thinking about how to solve these problems. Can you help the Grama Panchayat? So here the Hasipur village people having some kind of a problems. What is the main problem of there? That they don't have a proper drinking water, and the river which they have, that river water is contaminated because of the people washing dirty clothes, and as well as they are washing utensils and cattle also in the same river. So because of that reason the water is contaminated, right? So because of this water, when they drink this water they will get sick, and because of there is no good hospitals, so there is no one to take care of them, right? Okay, let's move to the board. Okay, so commonly in the villages, what are the main problems that we see or that we face commonly in villages? That they have muddy roads, they don't have a good proper drinking water, and obviously they won't have good schools and good hospitals to take care of them. These are the main problems, and as well as there won't be no power, there won't be no good electricity for them. So these are the common problems of the villages, right? So these are the common problems of the villages. But especially now what we have read about the Hasipur village, and their problems also same common. What the main problem of this Hasipur village, that they don't have a good drinking water in the village, and when they have a river, that river water is also contaminated because of people are washing their clothes, utensils, and the cat is in the same river. When you drink that contaminated river water, obviously we will be sick, and because they don't have a good hospitals, they don't know where to go. So what I told, if some group of people, if any people are facing same kind of a problem, then how they have to solve this problem? How they are going to solve this problem? Can anyone tell that any single person or alone can solve these problems? Is it possible? No. Then what they have to do? What I said in earlier lessons, they have to choose some people who are honest, hardworking, and cleverly they can solve these problems, right? So what I said, the local governing bodies which are chosen by the local people to solve their problem in a villages, what we call it as Grama Panchayat. So what is this Grama Panchayat? Grama Panchayat is a local governing body who look after the people problems. Grama Panchayat is a local governing body who look after the people's problem in a particular village, Nana. So who will be the head of this Grama Panchayat? What we call them as Sarpanch or Pradhan. Who is this Sarpanch? How this Sarpanch will be elected means all the people in village, they will choose one person as their leader. How we will choose in our classroom as our class monitor when you have a good opinion on them. Okay, so like that only in the village people have good opinion on certain person, like they are hardworking, honest, and if they are friendly nature and they are dedicated to solve the problems people, what the people will do, they will choose that person as their leader to solve these problems. So that one person represents the Grama Panchayat in village. What we call him as Sarpanch or Pradhan. The head of the Grama Panchayat, what we call him as Sarpanch or Pradhan. So what I said, when a lot of people are facing same kind of a problem, it can't be solved by one person. It can't be solved by as one person. So what he has to do, he needs some other people support to solve these problems, and then what he do, again he will need some support. So again some people will join him as a group. Again some people will join him as a group. In that group there will be 5 or more than 5 members will support him as his group. Okay, so what I said is, in a village there will be a person whom we call as a Sarpanch or Pradhan. Who is this Sarpanch or Pradhan? The head of Grama Panchayat. What is this Grama Panchayat? Grama Panchayat is a local governing body which look after the people problems in village. What are the problems that people face in villages? They might don't have a good roads, they might don't have a good drinking water, they might don't have a good electricity, or even they might don't have a good schools and hospitals. So one after one these problems will be sorted out by the Grama Panchayat and his group, right? So how many members a Grama Panchayat group will contain means 5 or more than 5 members. 5 or more than 5 members. So this is how Grama Panchayat will work. So how we will decide which problem has to be sorted out? For here I have wrote some problems on the board. For no drinking water, no good roads, no schools and hospitals, no electricity. So what do you think? Among these, which one is the first one? See, water is the main purpose to live for life. So if we clean our water, then we don't have to see hospitals more often. So first thing we have to clean the river, right? So we have to take care of our drinking water. When we have good water, then we don't need hospitals much often. We don't have to visit, right? And roads and electricity and schools are second steps. So there we can solve afterwards. But first thing we have to make clear our river water. So this is how they will give which one have to give first importance, which is the most important. First they will sort out that problem. Remaining after they will solve remaining problems laterly. How they will clean this river water means every state will give some funds to local Grama Panchayat people. So because cleaning of a river is not possible to one person, and it is not possible to clean a river without no funds. We need much money to clear the water. So it is not possible to collect the money from the people, right? So how we will going to solve these problems means by asking funds from the state government. The government will assign some funds to each and every Grama Panchayat village. By taking these helps of funds means money, Nana. By taking this money from the state government, we can solve our problems, right? So after that, which one we supposed to give importance for that? Hospitals are very important, even it is in village or even it is city. So after finishing the drinking water problem, we have to give the second importance to the hospitals. After that, we can go for schools and roads. So this is how they will give importance to solving of problems. Who will solve these problems in village? Yes, what we call it as Grama Panchayat. And who is the head of the Grama Panchayat? Sarpanch or Pradhan. Both are same. Sarpanch or Pradhan. How many members will support him? 5 or more members. Let's see one picture in the textbook so you can understand better. Okay, Nana, everyone look it into this picture. What you are seeing in this picture? Here, some group of people are conducting a meeting. Maybe they are discussing about some problems. The one person in the middle who is who sat in the middle, I think he is a sarpanch of his village. So he is discussing among the people what to do, when to do, what kind of a problem they have to face. So this is called as a local grama panchayat, and he might be a pradhan or sarpanch, and these are remaining members of his sarpanch. Okay, so this is how they will sit and they will discuss about their problems among the grama panchayat. And now see another picture. This is also a grama panchayat meeting. See that one person is discussing with another person's how to sort out the problems. So these are I think they are conducting a grama panchayat meeting in the village. So what they are doing here, they are discussing about the problems in the village. Might be they are discussing the problems which they are facing in the village by sitting along with the other village people, and also by sitting with the grama panchayat members of grama panchayat. They are discussing about the problems and they are thinking how to sort out them, and which problem has to give the first importance, and after that which problem has to give the second importance. They might be thinking and they might be discussing. So this is how the grama panchayat will sit in the villages. Okay, I hope now you better understood. Okay, now move on to the lesson. Children, you have to understand here one point, that when group of people are facing some problem, when problem is common to a large member of group, then it is not possible to one person to solve. They also need some group of persons support, right? So what is it here? Cleaning a river for drinking water is not possible to solve one person. It is not to solve it is not solved to one person to clear the entire river. So definitely he need support, because a lot of money we need to do expenditure as to clean the river. So definitely he need funds to clear the river. So what I said, he will ask the support from the people, or sometimes he will seek the support from the state government. Okay, so the state government will provide the funds to him to clear the water, or if the roads are important, they can also have a choice to arrange the roads for them. So how they will decide, like I have shown the pictures in the textbook. First they will sit, they will discuss among the panchayat members and the people, which is the most important thing. Like I said in the earlier lesson, among these problems, which is the first one I said, so having a good drinking water is the most important thing, right? Having a good drinking water is the most important thing. So when you have a good water to drink, so there you can there is a 100% chance that you won't get a lot of diseases. When you drink contaminated water or any polluted water, then only we will have a choice to face a lot of problems now. So that's why we need definitely support. So these people will ask the support from the state government, and sometimes people will collect some money from among them, and they will only arrange these roads, schools, hospitals, and clear water or good electricity among them. So electricity is not possible to arrange people for themselves. Definitely they need support from the state government. Okay, so I hope you understood. One more time I am repeating the lesson because it's kind of a tough lesson for you. I can understand that. So when people have a common problem in villages, what kind of a problem villages people will face, that they might don't have good roads, and they don't have good schools, hospitals, and electricity. These are the main problems which village people face, right? So how these people will sort out these problems means, they will elect some people who are honest, hardworking, and more intelligent than them. They will elect some people to solve and look after these people. That means local governing bodies. What we call them as local governing bodies. Who is these local governing bodies? Local governing bodies are those people who will take care of the people's problems in a certain area or certain villages. So what we call it as in village, if it is a local governing body, we call it as Grama Panchayat, and there will be one head, there will be one person who will act as a head of the Grama Panchayat. What we call him as Sarpanch or Pradhan. So he might not be able to solve all the problems alone. Definitely he need another person's support also. So definitely he will add some more person to make him strength. So how many members will join him as a Grama Panchayat? 5 or more than 5. So these Grama Panchayat head and all the other 5 members will sit along with all the other village people, and then they will decide which problem have to sort out, which problem has to give the first importance, and after that which problem has to give the second importance. This is how a Grama Panchayat in village will work. So everyone please open your volume, page number 37, Nana. Okay, here we are in lesson of S3 Grama Panchayat. So what is the question here? Look at the picture and answer the question. So here you have to observe the picture very carefully. So what here you can see? Yes, they have electricity, because here we can see the wires, current wires, and here, okay, so they don't have, what they don't have? Yes, they don't have a good roads, right? Okay, this is a road of Hasipur village. Hasipur, now only we read a story about Hasipur, right? So, what problem do you see in the picture? Tick what you think is right. So, just tick which one you can see in the picture. What is the problem that you are seeing in this picture? Just tick that one. And second one, who can help in making this road better? How? So, when people are facing common problem in certain area, if it is a village, whom they have to approach? To sort out their problem? Yes, you know the name. So how they will sort out that problem? You also know the answer. Just give your answer. And come to the third question. What other types of problems do people in villages have? After that, what are the other problems that people who lives in villages might have facing these days? Yes, what are those problems? There won't be no good drinking water, no good roads, no schools and hospitals, no electricity, right? So these are the problems. So before going to complete your volume, what you supposed to do? Every time read the textbook, read the story, read the lesson from the textbook and story of the Hasipur village. Okay, Nana? I think everyone understood the lesson. Thank you. Please complete your volume and send through WhatsApp.